Hello there, it's me, Rubbish Ruby, but you can just call me Ruby unless you hate me, then you can call me Rubbish Ruby. I made it very easy for you to hate me. First things first, please make sure to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Let's try to get to 20 likes. That's currently my goal on my last video, which we haven't reached yet as of this video. Like this video if you're slay. Did you do it? Thank you. So today's YouTube video is actually inspired by another YouTuber that I found called The Uneven Stitch. They recreated a childhood outfit and I absolutely fell in love with this idea. So obviously their YouTube video will be linked down below as always. So I had this outfit right here from when I was younger. And I'm just saying, I fucking slayed. I ate that outfit. Like, excuse me? I recreate it. But the only issue is I already have a bright pink hoodie. So I was like, okay, I need it to be a little bit different, a little bit more versatile. And I'm making it in black. That is my different thing. And then I'm also going to be cropping the sweater because I want to make a cropped sweater because that would be cute as fuck. And then I'm going to be doing little ruffles on the sweater and I'm going to do ruffles on the skirt, and I even got some like rhinestones that I can put on it because there's a little piece that says like I think princess or has some sort of like cute little design. No, it's giving early 2000s, which is why I was like I need to bedazzle it. I'm using two different patterns from Etsy. One is by Pattern Couture and the other is by Basic Pattern Shop. I'm going to be adjusting these patterns slightly so that they better match the outfit that I had when I was younger, but we're going to be using those as the base. So without further ado, let's go to Joann's and find some fabric. Take it away, future Ruby. Wow, hello, I didn't see you there. We're at Joann's and we're going to get fabric for this project. We're starting inside the Joann's though. Why are you recording me? Stop.
Goose. I wanted to capture the goose.
So I basically knew what kind of fabric I was looking for. Obviously just a black knit. I was mainly really wanting a comfortable fabric because I wanted this to be a comfy outfit.
Wow.
This is giving sweatshirt.
So this one goes back?
Yeah. This one is giving sweatshirt.
Maybe some ideas are coming up for a future Halloween project.
I found the fabric I was looking for pretty quickly since it was very cut and dry what I needed and wanted. I unfortunately was not able to get any footage of the person cutting the fabric, but I also needed to find some zippers and then some thread, and then I was ready to go. Hello, this is day one of working on this project. What I'm planning on doing right now is just putting the pattern pieces together. I also have my silly little $7 coffee. It was not $7 though. It's just a little caramel latte. It's really rainy out today and I'm feeling very mellow and tired and I just want to sleep more, to be honest. So, okay. Here's just some footage of me putting together all of the pattern pieces I was going to use. I like to get it all done right before I start my project. I don't like to go back to do any pattern pieces, so this is the sweater and the skirt, and yeah, it went really well. And here's some footage of me just cutting out all of the pattern pieces I would be using, which also went really well for me. And I was actually able to start some sewing and construction this first day too, which I really was not expecting, but I was really glad that I was able to get a little bit further than I thought it would be. I have my silly little $7 coffee. I got a cold brew with vanilla and cold foam and caramel cold foam. And it slays so hard. So this day I was feeling pretty confident until I actually finished most of the sweater. I don't know where the hell the footage went, but it did not fit me at all. It was way too tight. It was uncomfortable. I honestly feel like maybe I thought I was filming some of this content, but I just wasn't because I was so upset, and honestly, like, I wanted to give up at this point because the sweater fit so poorly and I was just so pissed about it, but I stopped sewing that day and I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna finish this video in a week, and that's okay. And I completely remade the top, cutting some different pieces apart and putting them together because I had to make sure I had enough fabric, which is why I'm so glad I bought extra fabric. But it fits so much better in this clip. Just look how cute. I feel so much more confident here, and I feel like, okay, maybe I can actually like bring this back together. Here's just some more footage of me putting the final pieces together. I also finished the skirt on this day. I think this is a like third day that I had been working on the project. My camera, I really need to get a new one because it just is kind of dying out, which is frustrating. But I finished the skirt. The skirt went really easy for me. Everything else went really well for me. And then I also wanted to add a jewel piece to the sweater because I didn't want it to just be a black sweatshirt. I wanted there to be something fun to it, and I did this little bedazzling thing. It was honestly such a pain in the ass, and I hated doing it. And I want to get a different tool because I would like to bedazzle more things, but not like this. And with that, we're at the end of the recreating my childhood outfit saga. This was a much longer project than intended, but I am very, very pleased with how this turned out. I'm definitely going to be wearing it this weekend. Oh, Baron, hello. Baron's here to say, hello, I'm Stinky. I love how this turned out. I'm really glad that I pushed through despite feeling very, very drained at the end of this. I'm pleased. I'm really happy. I had a bit of a difficult time putting the little glitter pieces on, and one glitter is already falling off. I don't know why it's been so difficult to work with the glitter. It just was not as easy as I remember it being. I've done it like once before on a quilt. But yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. I think it's a really good recreation. I think it has the same vibe, the same energy for sure. And I'm really proud of myself, so that's very cool. With that being said, please make sure to check out the creator who inspired me with this trend, with this idea in the first place. Again, linked down below. All my patterns used will be linked down below as well. And my Twitch will be linked below. I stream occasionally. I play Dead by Daylight and sometimes Fortnite really right now. And my Instagram, my threads, everything is linked down below, so check it out if you're interested. Remember to give the video a like if you haven't, and I hope you guys have a good time zone. Please make sure you're drinking water, taking your meds, etc. You deserve to be loved, bitch. And with that, goodbye. Bye!